Okay, so what language do you think this is?
Την ευτυχία. Θέλω να φορτώσετε και να πω το μικρόφωνο.
Portuguese? I don't know.
Σήκωσε στην κρυά γυναίκα.
Portuguese? Is it romantic languages?
No, it's not.
Oh.
Spanish? Yeah, maybe Spanish. La Policia? That's what I heard.
It sounds like Portuguese to me. It sounds a little bit like close to Spanish, so I'm thinking it's Portuguese. So South America, Brazil, or Portugal.
Oh, now I'm going to show you the video so you can get some visual hint. You can see the people speaking it and the script of the language.
Okay.
What about now?
Now I want to say like somewhere in like Eastern Europe.
Arabic?
No, it's not Arabic. Not Cyrillics either. It looks almost like Greek. Like there's an omega in there. There's a sigma.
Greek? Yeah.
It's the Greek alphabet.
Looks like Greek almost.
I'm really bad at it. No idea.
I'm sure you've seen these alphabets before.
Probably. I just cannot point out what it is. I don't know.
Do you recognize individual alphabets?
Greek?
Are you guys in science?
I failed out of science. I'm in science.
Okay, might recognize some alphabets there.
Greek?
Yeah. It's Greek.
Oh, is it? Oh, that makes sense.
Is that what you have expected Greek to sound like?
Not really actually. It sounds a lot more Spanish than, I don't know, it has, yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, I haven't really heard too many people speak Greek, so I don't really know what it sounds like.
Because I've never really been in contact with or I even heard like Greek language, but like by looking at the words, that's how I knew it must be Greek.
I've never heard it spoken, so I actually had no idea what to expect.
And now for the highlight of the show. Can you mimic the language?
Copolicia, como...
Εσύ εδώ στη γωνία. Βλέπεις την κρυά γυναίκα.
No, I like
Βλέπεις.
all I hear is like digliglia kind of stuff.
Σήκωσε εσύ εδώ στη γωνία.
Cinemonia. Cinemonia? Cinemonia?
Φίλιππ, είδες την κρυά. Την κρυά εδώ, Φίλιππο.
Την κρυά.
Λοιπόν, έχει εδώ τη μύτη της. Εδώ είναι το μάτι της. Δώστε μου το μικρόφωνο. Το μικρόφωνο.
I don't know. Δώστε με ένα μοτό.
Ή λάθος. Απλώς αυτή η... Συγγνώμη λίγο. Σηκώστε μου το...
Πολύ.
Το μικρόφωνο. Σήκωσε εσύ εδώ στη γωνία.
Sí. Να στη γωνία.
Βλέπεις μόνο την νεαρή κοπέλα.
Ο μένε λεπτά.
Ακούστε τώρα.
Ας σου πει τώρα.
Το χέρι.
In the area.
That's like Italian.
Βλέπουν την νεαρή
Who
κοπέλα.
phlegm? I'm hearing a lot of phlegm.
Fleminera.
Fleminera.